What's going on, guys? We are going back to the 90s with the WAP inspired hairstyle, but today we're going baby pink. Y'all ain't never seen it like this. Let's get into it. What's going on, guys? It's your girl Easy Breezy, and we are back with a brand new hair sponsor. Thank you so much, Elva. They sent me a 613 blonde lace front wig. Now, of course, I had to get my girl Honeybee back in the building with her baby pink and blue makeup. Yes, honey. I had the perfect wig for her today. All right, now getting this color was really simple, by the way. I used Soft Lavender by Adore, and really all I did is just take some hot water, you know what? Let me just show y'all. All right, so let's get into this wig. So I have Soft Lavender by Adore, and I'm really just gonna put maybe half or the whole bottle in here because I'm not really scared of oversaturating the color because the color is light anyway. But if I was doing a baby pink with like a cherry red, then I will only do like 1 or 2 drops max at a time. And remember, if you're working with like a darker red in order to get a baby pink, you really have to be patient and take your time. Don't put too much color in there or you're gonna end up with red hair and you're gonna be pissed because you're gonna be like, how do I reverse this? All right, so now that the color is done, I'm gonna take these lovely lace tints by Elva Hair, which is a Black-owned company, by the way, and I'm going to spray the bottom of the lace so it can tint the lace and tint the roots at the same time. All right, looking good, nice, quick, and easy. Now let's get back to the install. All right, to start this install off, we're using our 3-step system. First, we're going to use our dry cleanser, then follow up with the skin protector. Now we can apply the liquid lace glue. All right, so now once the glue turns clear, we can apply this stocking cap. So I'm using the beige from GalaxyGirlHair.com, and sometimes it looks a little bit light to me, so I just follow up with a little bit of powder and then I cut it. But yeah, for situations like this, I feel like she's a little bit too light for the medium brown cap, but she's darker than the beige cap. So have a little bit of powder on hand. All right, so we are back with the liquid lace glue, but instead of applying the cap, we are now preparing for the wig. So now I'm going to apply a thin coat over the hairline and I'm going to spread it, wait till it turns clear, and then I'm going to add a second coat.
You got a fucking doctor for your penis just like I got one for my vagina. You're fucking, I knew it.
Wow.
Oh, simp ass nigga. Like, you know, and they come in there and they cry. because they don't understand what's going on. They've been living these healthy lives all these years. They
checking
don't
up on
understand
themselves
what's
or nothing.
going on. And now I have Parkinson's disease and my motherfucking dick won't stand up.
So, my good sis, okay, is a nurse and she deals with male patients. And when I tell you guys, her stories are crazy. Listen, I thought women go through all the crap with our bodies, but listen, that's not even the half. Guys, I feel sorry for you.
Kind of feeling her though, like you know what I'm saying? Like I'm feeling like a new bitch.
Okay.
I'm ooh, okay, wait. Be like, you feel like you cheating? Do I feel like you cheating on me with this skincare?
No, period. So let's get into this style. Now, we were literally going back and forth because we did not know whether we wanted to do a side part, big curls, like I really did like freestyle this hairstyle all the way through type shit. But we ended up going with the bang and a half up, half down style. So let's do it. All right, so stylists out there or girls that do your own hair, remember when you're doing your bangs, you have to take into consideration what type of bang you want. Now, with this style, I want like a wispy bang. I don't want it to be too thick, so make sure you don't pull out as much hair as you would with like the classic Chinese bang. All right, so now that the baby hairs are laid, I'm gonna go ahead and add my black wrap on so they can stay down and kind of dry. But before I put her under the dryer, I'm gonna just flat iron the back. And before I get to pressing, I put this serum in it just to make it nice and smooth. Sometimes when you work with blonde, Russian blonde hair, it can feel kind of dry. Especially when you color it and stuff like that. So make sure you add just a little bit of serum before you press it out. All right, so the ends can probably look a little bit sometimes. So I'm gonna take my scissors and just even it out so it looks nice and clean. Now we gotta pull out our flyaway tamer so we can lay some of the flyaways and cowlicks in the back. All right, so we're at the main event. All right, so to get this 90s WAP inspired look, if you guys watched my last video, then you know these styles are really simple, right? So we're just taking our barrel curlers and we're doing pin curls at the top, and then we're just going to flat iron the back. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. All right, so I am loving this. What lace? What lace? Where is that? Where is that? Once again, thank you so much, Elva, for sponsoring this video with this 613 blonde lace front wig that colored so easy, styled even easier. If you guys want this exact unit, I'm going to put all the information in the description below. I'm going to put the lace tint links in the comments. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, you tripping. Make sure you go ahead and do that and turn on your notifications. See y'all later.